Are you missing a tooth? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. Introducing the basal dental implant, a revolutionary way to replace a single missing tooth. With immediate loading and function restore, you can regain your smile and confidence in no time. But why choose a dental implant over a bridge? Let me explain the benefits. First and foremost, dental implants are a permanent solution. Unlike bridges, which require the support of adjacent teeth, implants are anchored directly into the jawbone, providing a stable and long-lasting foundation. Another advantage of dental implants is that they look and feel just like natural teeth. With a bridge, the adjacent teeth may need to be altered or trimmed down to support the restoration. Implants, on the other hand, preserve the integrity of your surrounding teeth and maintain the natural aesthetics of your smile. Furthermore, dental implants offer superior functionality. They allow you to bite and chew with ease, just like you would with your natural teeth. With a bridge, there may be limitations on what you can eat and how much pressure you can apply. So, if you're looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution to replace your missing tooth, consider the basal dental implant. With immediate loading and function restore, you can enjoy a restored smile and improved oral health. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards a confident and complete smile.